Mom April.
And thank you for encouraging us to do our very best sa statistics and sa theory.
We wish you the best, ma'am. And hindi ko na pagpalabaon, pero we love you so much, ma'am. Thank you, Ma'am April.
Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am April. Thank you sa pagbuli niyo po dito sa akin pero sa math and dito sa mga lessons. Thank you sa inyong mahaba ang pasensya. Happy Teacher's Day.
Hi, Ma'am April. Thank you for your endless support and effort to help us grow and learn as your students. Thank you and happy Teacher's Day.
Hello, Ma'am April. Thank you so much for the knowledge you shared to us and for the hard work and efforts. Happy Teacher's Day.
Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am April. Thank you for taking care of us like our second mother.
Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am April. I just want to say thank you so much for your unwavering support and always giving it your all to teach us with great dedication. Love you, Ma'am.
Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am April! Tani magdama pa ang imo years yung makatudok diri sa CPC. And I know na muli na ang last Teacher's Day nga makaselebrate together. And tani magiging more joyful ang atong school year na maging best junior high school year ever in it. And we love you and we hope, we wish you the best. Love you.
Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am April. Thank you for your kindness, patience, and for loving us. Thank you for everything. God bless and we love you.
Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am April. More blessings to come. Thank you din sa tanan nga learnings na kinatag mo sa mga nalintbagay na.
Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am April. Thank you for being there for us at sa pag-support sa amin. Kaya sa kanya learnings, hindi ito pumasama sa grade. We love you!
Hi, Ma'am. Happy Teacher's Day. Thank you for teaching us and supporting us. Have a good day.
Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am April. Thank you for making our brain do push-ups every first period.
Hi, Ma'am April. Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am. Thank you, Ma'am, sa support at guidance sa mga nakabuli sa akin.
Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am April. Thank you for the love, patience, and support you've given us throughout the school year.
Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am April. Thank you for your love, patience, and support. Your teachings last a lifetime.
Hi, Ma'am April. Thank you so much sa easy teaching sa math and pagmuli sa research. Happy Teacher's Day, love you, ma'am.